Okay, I'm not trying to find all the faults in this Pocket 3 camera, but I'm just reporting the things that I find interesting in this Pocket 3 camera. And this is one such thing that I find annoying, especially this is one of the way I like to film. I like to film objects up close whenever I'm vlogging, so this is something I like to do. So let's see. I will go to the minimum focal distance of any camera, and then I like to film close-ups of any product, and it should be working good. But unfortunately, once I reach the minimum focus distance, we can see that there is clear wobbliness. Maybe it's the angle of shooting like this, or I don't know why it happens. In every other scenario, whenever I'm shooting like this, there's nothing wrong. Even if I'm moving left and right, I'm walking, I'm running, the gimbal stabilization is exceptional, fantastic compared to Pocket 1 and 2. But in this case, specifically in this scenario, I find the gimbal motion is a bit wobbly. But if I'm just rotating the camera front and I'm trying to film, there's nothing wrong. Everything looks steady. It's not like I'm trying to shake the camera. It's just like even the tiny jitters gets exaggerated. I don't know why it happens. Maybe some experts who own this camera can comment down in the video below so that I can know how best to shoot it this way. I like to film products up close like this in all of my videos. In my previous video about sweets and bakery exhibition, I tried to film a lot of food like this, but I was not successful at all. So it's a fail. The footage was very wobbly. If I'm going to use this to present something, I think it's a bit inconvenience. So I think DJI should address this issue via firmware or anything. I don't know I don't even know if that's possible, but we will wait because we love Pocket 3 and so we wanted to perform better.